I'm now going to show how you can investigate the origins of the Haiti 2022 outbreak using Vibriowatch. To do this, we'll make a phylogenetic tree in Vibriowatch by making a collection of H22, an isolate from Haiti 2022, and its close relatives. To make a collection in Vibriowatch, you need to first sign in to the Pathogen Watch website. So go to the home page of Pathogen Watch, and then on the top left click on Sign In. In my case, I'm going to sign in using a Google account. Once you've signed in, you can search for the H22 isolate. To do this, go up to the top left, click on the three purple bars, click on All Genomes to get a list of all the genomes in Pathogen Watch of all species. Then filter this list just to contain Vibrio cholerae genomes by clicking on the genus menu on the left and selecting Vibrio. This brings up a list of Vibrio cholerae genomes. Now we can search for H22 by typing H22 in the search box and clicking on H22 to see its genome report page. On the genome report page, we can scroll down to the section with the title Core Genome Clustering, and this brings up a cluster showing H22 and its closest relatives. Now, to make a tree of the isolates in this cluster, we click on List Genomes to get a list of all the genomes in that cluster. Now you may notice here that on the right in this list it shows some genomes are private, so they're in my private Vibriowatch account. I only want to include public genomes in the tree, so on the left I go to Access and click on Public. Now that gives me a list of 1,323 publicly available Vibrio cholerae genomes that are in the cluster of H22 and its closest relatives. Now, to make a collection of these, and in order to make a phylogenetic tree, first check that on the top right it says 0 selected genomes. If it doesn't, click on this and select Clear from the menu that appears. In my case, it already says 0 selected genomes, so I don't need to do that. Now, to select all the genomes in this list, click on the tick box beside the heading name. Now on the top right, it should say 1,323 selected genomes. To make a collection of these, in order to make a phylogenetic tree, click on the purple button and then click on Create Collection. We need to type in a title for the collection, so we can type in something like H22 and its close relatives, and then click on Create Now. This will cause Vibriowatch to go away and create a collection. This may take maybe 5 or 10 minutes, so I'd recommend that you have a break, maybe make a cup of tea and come back in a few minutes. I'll continue this tutorial on making a tree in the next video.